Hey guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. So, do a dark green look for St. Patrick's Day. It is literally St. Patrick's Day, but now we're like 2 days and it's the last day of winter. What am I gonna do after Thursday? Because for 12 hours straight, we're gonna crash out. Because winter is my favorite season of all the time. Because I love wearing my favorite clothes. When it comes to spring, sometimes the temperature changes, but when it's like summer temperatures, like it's hot, I get sweating. Is when I go to school and I'm heading the bus home, I get sweating and I didn't like when I had to do all the walking. It is making me tired to death and it's making me want to have my own car, drive home by myself, but I don't have a car yet, so I'm probably not gonna get my own car until 2027. Also, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a little excited for spring, but the only part I don't like about spring is the weather. Like when the weather changes, like for instance, okay, it's gonna be raining, it's gonna be cloudy, but most of all, I like when it's sunny during the spring season. It makes me want to go outside and play. I need to plan a day to release a song called Dark Romance because if I'm not gonna drop a new song, like how am I going to keep up with my music career and all the songs that I composed throughout the years? Because it's been almost 2 to 3 years since I had composed my own music and starting a music career. Being a singer, of course. I'm gonna go with this palette first, and the color I'm gonna go is dark green right here. This is to match that outfit I'm wearing. Anyways, I hope to have the higher chances to post more videos because I don't know what is absolutely wrong with me not posting more content. As I was so busy with schoolwork, I was busy with other stuff. But guys, I need you guys to help me get more subscribers on my YouTube channel. I'm about to lose support if I don't keep posting more content and keep doing what I'm doing. That's making me happy. Right, and let's go with this emerald green color. But I'm gonna be careful pressing it down a little bit because I don't want to mix with the dark green I'm wearing. Just to match that outfit I'm wearing. I need to hurry up because I definitely want to take pictures and post it online just to show all of these because I definitely want to have more higher chances, more opportunities to post content, keep doing what I'm doing. Otherwise, I might have to lose support and just quit posting on social media until further notice. I think the emerald dark green, it's good. Oh my god. Alright, I need to hurry up because I gotta leave no later than 9 because I have class at 10:10. So, just want to get my makeup done ahead of time because I want to show my friends how good I am, how gorgeous I look for St. Patrick's Day. Alright. I can't wait to take pictures with my friends, but only if I see them at school, whether they're wearing green or not. I could take pictures with them. I'll tell them Happy St. Patty's Day, whether they're Irish or not. Or, let's say, if they don't celebrate St. Patty's Day, that's fine. Also, not to mention, I will talk to my mom about when I'm gonna be able to set a release date for my new song, Dark Romance. Because I'm thinking next week or towards spring break, I want to go finish the music video for Dark Romance. Also, I was thinking, did I just got mascara on my eyelids? Anyways, I just want to do a behind the scenes look / interview, talk about my song Dark Romance, what it's like to film the music video. I might ask some of my friends to be my background dancers and do some dance moves. That way my music video can go viral and everybody can like it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So stay tuned. Yes, I've been praying about that for ages, ever since I started my music career. So I hope this happens. I haven't worn makeup to school for a long time, since 2023. So I'm only going to wear it just for today. Just because I'm in college doesn't mean I can wear makeup to college or to school. Is only because it's St. Patrick's Day. So I'm only gonna wear it for today. Because when I go to college, I don't wear makeup to college just because it's not like high school. But let's pray that my dad will not say anything to me, because he better not say, oh, you cannot wear this to school, you can't wear this to school. I'm literally 20 years old, so sorry, not sorry, but I just wanted to wear it to school because it's St. Patty's Day. Alright, for final touches, I'm just gonna go with the Pinky Ring Moth Lipstick from Wet n Wild, as I want it to look great. I love this color, by the way. Alright, and go with Tropical Coral 444 lipstick from L'Oreal. Alright, I just wanted my makeup to look slay for St. Patty's Day and show it to all my friends. Alright, just the backup color and I'm all done. This is the final look. Yay! Can't wait. Even though I'm going to school, but for the next few years, if I get out of college, then if I want to plan something for St. Patrick's Day, I'm allowed to do that. Alright? And fit check. Yes, and I'm wearing all green. I bought that outfit since last year, which is actually cool though. Okay guys, so thank you all for watching this dark green St. Patty's Day makeup look. So I wish you all a happy St. Patrick's Day, whether if you're Irish or not. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. And I'll keep posting more of my videos on my makeup channel and my main YouTube channel, of course. Alright, so happy St. Patrick's Day. Love you guys. And see you in my next video, besties. Bye.